Well, hello everyone, and welcome back. So we had a great morning. I'm gonna just right into it. I was hoping and waiting for it to hit this area, this lower trend line that I talked about in the last video. It hit it and bounced, and right at the 75% level on the fib, and which I already know the percent gain was about 34%. Awesome, 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 awesome. So let me just put it to 15 so that you can see. All right. So I actually set a limit order at the 75% level because I felt like it was going to hit it when I was sleeping. And I just went ahead and put my limit order in, um, and had an alert go off when it hit that area. I heard it go off. I did not get up. I just, um, that was not smart. I should have got up and because it could have hit it and went way down. But um, it is what it is. So thank God it bounced and went up. And when I woke up, it was starting to move its way up. So I knew I wanted to come out right around here. And basically, all I did was use, I think I used, let me get rid of this. So I used the last little peak as my guide, which is this peak right here. And I did have it on this. So my stop was going to be right here, right below this area of resistance, which is my top parallel trend line. So instead of going right here, I felt like it was safer to go right here, and that's where I put my stop. So you see, it didn't really go that much above it. So, which gave me I know it was around 34, well, 32. I thought it was 34. Close enough, 33, 34. I might be more specific with the thing because I know I put it in as 34%. Um, so let's see where that takes us. Today is Wednesday. We didn't do a trade yesterday because we was waiting for this bad boy. um, and it didn't take no time for that thing to hit it. It was going pretty fast. So that, puts us well above our daily target, which is 5%. So far, we are at over 40% for the week, right? And if you divide that by 7 days, we're definitely over 5% already, right? So we can be very picky about what trades we take. So what I'm doing is just waiting for to see what it's gonna do right here, right? So let me get rid of this one. This one is from there. So only thing we need to do is create another fib from the bottom to our top. So we're still above, you know, let me just see what it does right here to let me know if we can go back in. My target would still be like right around here. I probably what I'll do is let it see if it can hit above there and set a stop loss below it. So that just in case if it just were to come down. But since we're getting closer and closer to possibly a breakout of this whole thing, I just want to see where is it going to stop. Like it's consolidating right now. And so let me move my alerts. Where did I get my, let me delete. Okay, let me set it right below here at 2346. And I actually might even let it go up and come back down before I go in, because I don't want to like, I'm gonna just wait and see, because I want to see, is it going to like go up dramatically, go back down and come out of here, or is it going to go up and break out before I go back in? So, because I don't want to lose the gains I got for today. So, I think I'm going to play it like that just to see what it does. If it were to go up, let it see, because it's not on any type of support, and I don't want to go in like that. It's close to this support, and it might be creating a upward trend, which I think it might be doing, but I want to make sure I don't want to lose my gains that I got today, because we are up ahead of our goal for the week, and we're still on target overall as far as hitting our 100K. So like, I'm not gonna be greedy, and I'm not going to like over trade if I don't have to. So that will do it. Let me look at the other charts real quick before we go. Let's go to Bitcoin real quick. So looks like Bitcoin has made a bounce right here, but I'm still going to let it see what it's going to do. I never buy, and I've said this over and over and over. Never buy in resistance area. It's pretty much in a resistance area. So if you were gonna buy, it would have been better to buy here, not up here where it's at right now. You know, so but if you're in it, I would like be watching, you know, is it gonna come, you know, let it come out. Usually what I do is, unless I have a specific price target, if I don't have a specific price target, what I do is let it come out of the trend line and then go up and see if it's making a lower high. Then I come out of the trade. If I don't have a price target, I really want a price target first, ideally. But if I don't have a price target, then what I do is I let it go up, come back down, and then make a lower high, and then I come out. Then I make a sell limit. So, or sometimes if I know it's hitting a really peak rejection area, then what I'll do is put a stop loss below the last candle. So those are the three ways I come out of a trade. But so that's where we are with Bitcoin. XRP to me still is in rejection area. I wanted to see it. It did make a good move right here. I saw that. I wasn't in it, but I did check on it and saw that it did make that move, because I originally had, I think I had to update my lower parallel trend line because if I remember correctly, the one I had before it had came out of it, so I thought it was going to go down further. But what it did was bounce off of this horizontal support level. I'm still would not go in it, let it do its thing, and find some type of another support. So, which I already had the support level here. So, if I was going to trade, that's one of the areas that I would have been paying attention to, if for entry. And let me look at Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum needs to come down a little bit more for me. Um, Let me see. Let me see if I can, if there is a support right up in here. Yep, like that's a little minor support area right here where I just drew in. And it looks like it's getting close to that. So that would be the area I would, if I was trading Ethereum, I would be monitoring this support area to see if there's any bounce that's going to happen on this, which is between the price of 3,024 and 2814. And this would be the rejection area, right? So, and I'm not saying that it can't come out of this, right? It could come out of this and go to the high rejection area, and like up here. So, being that I see that there's two pretty predominant rejection areas, what I would do is let it, if it's going to bypass it, let it bypass it, keep a stop below, just in case if it wants to turn around, or pick this as a price target area. Look at the weekly. Yeah. I don't know. It just gives me the vibe that it's going to come out of this. But who knows? I'm not trading it, so, but I want to see how it reacts to that support that I just created in this gray horizontal support. Maybe I should make it a little bit lighter. Yeah. So that, come on, stop. This horizontal support area, let's just see how it reacts to that. And even just from here, if it were to bounce off of this support to here, you're looking at least 10 to 15%, right? So, and if it were to go all the way up, you're looking at 30%, right? Almost double. So, of the 15%. So, not bad. And that is pretty much it. So, thank you guys. See, it doesn't take that much work. And let's just look at how long it took for it to hit 34%. Took less than 2 hours. Okay. And part of that I was asleep. So that's what I'm saying. Like, to me, trading is the best thing since apple pie when it comes to making money, because less than 2 hours, I wasn't really doing anything. It's pretty much close to doggone near passive. You just gotta know like the key critical things: support, resistance, trend lines, fib, and patterns. At least your reversal patterns, when it's reversing to go down and reversing to go up. So that's it. So but that will do it. Thank you guys. Have a great day. And depending on what happens, if nothing happens, if I don't go back into a trade, then I probably won't do another video for tomorrow. I won't probably do another one until I have another trade. All right, thanks.